Enhance your construction company's quoting process with custom Excel solutions. Success in the construction sector depends on accurate and swift quoting. But the process can be time-consuming and ineffective. What if you could speed it up and increase revenue by 50%? We did just that for a construction company with a customized Excel solution. Preparing bids for construction projects took hours, leading to a backlog of work and extended turnaround times. This resulted in a decline in business. To simplify the quoting process, we created a unique Excel solution. Data gathering, bid filing, calculations. We automated data gathering, bid filing, and calculations. Multiple interconnected sheets and a macro-enabled system ensured precision and speed. After creating the solution, we provided a user guide and practical training sessions for a smooth transition. We also offered ongoing assistance and upkeep. The Excel solution had a significant impact on our clients' business. They produced quotes faster with fewer mistakes, allowing them to focus on their primary job. They took on more work, attracting more customers and increasing revenue by 50%. Turnaround time for bids was reduced by 1/3, leading to quicker and more effective agreement closures. Our customized Excel solution saved time, reduced stress, decreased errors, and boosted revenue for our client. If you're tired of labor-intensive and ineffective methods, reach out to us. Let's create an Excel solution that works for your construction company. Contact us today. Success in the construction sector depends on accurate and swift quoting.